Are Ford Explorer wheel spacers good or bad? Quality Ford Explorer wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket part between the hub assembly and the wheels. High-quality Ford Explorer wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Explorer wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and check-filled appearance. Installing Ford Explorer wheel spacers is a great way to fix one offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Ford Explorer wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires, protecting against suspension components. There are performance benefits through upgrading with Ford Explorer wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension? The Ford Explorer wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive steps. Most people will agree that the vehicles work better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These Ford Explorer wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and wheel road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs, as well as ISO grade 10 laganat. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative XGS and TV certification reports. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling Ford Explorer wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.